Hello students, you all are welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you what is a protractor. Let's go for it.
We use protractor to measure angles and to draw angles. So here you can see full circle protractor. It is 360 degrees. It is 360 degrees. But standard protractor is half a circle and it's 180 degrees. Normally we use half a circle protractor to measure the angles. Okay. Standard unit we use to measure the angle is called degrees. And 1 degree is written as like this. The protractor is numbered from 0 to 180 degrees. So you can see clockwise and also anti-clockwise. And here also the line is indicated by 0 to 0. That line is called baseline. There are two scales indicated in the protractor. One is in inside, that is called inner scale. And the one is in the outside, that is called outer scale. Outer scale. There is a center in the protractor, that is called origin point. It's called origin point. Now look at the outer scale here. So you can see long line segments on the outer scale are marked 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and until 180 degrees. So the gap between the long line segments is again divided into 10 similar parts. You can see here, if I count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, divided into 10 similar parts using small lines like this. So the magnitude of the angle between two long line segments is 10 degrees. You can see here is the long line segments. The gap between each is 10 degrees. 10, 20, 30, 40, like that. Okay.
Basically, this is all about protractor. On my next video, I'll teach you how to measure angles using a protractor. Until that, you can join with my previous videos. I'll drop all of those links in the down description. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell button. If you do that, you'll be able to receive notifications whenever I uploaded a new lesson. So thanks for watching and have a great day.